In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import a 3D model in PowerPoint and fully customize it inside your slide. If you want to make your presentations more interactive, modern, and visually impressive, adding 3D models is a powerful feature you should definitely be using. The best part is that PowerPoint has this built in, so you don't need any extra software. I'll walk you through everything step by step, from inserting the model to resizing and rotating it the right way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer and load the presentation where you want to add the 3D model. You can insert a 3D model into a new blank slide or an existing slide with content. Once your presentation is open, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This is where you'll find all the elements you can add to your slide, including pictures, shapes, charts, and, of course, 3D models. Inside the Insert tab, look for the option labeled 3D Models. Click on it, and you'll see two main options, this device and online sources. If you already have a 3D model file saved on your computer, choose this device. Then browse your folders, select the 3D model you want to use, and click Insert. PowerPoint supports common 3D file formats like .fbx, .obj, and .3mf. If you don't have a model saved locally, you can choose Online Sources instead. This gives you access to Microsoft's online 3D model library, where you can search for different objects like animals, icons, technology devices, and more. Simply type in a keyword, select the model you like, and click Insert to add it directly to your slide. Once you click Insert, the 3D model will appear on your slide. Now you can click and drag the model anywhere within the workspace to adjust its position. This works just like moving an image or a shape. Place it wherever it fits best with your layout and other content. To resize the 3D model, click on it and drag any of the corner handles. Dragging from the corners keeps the proportions consistent, so the model doesn't stretch or distort. You can make it larger to emphasize it, or smaller so it fits neatly alongside text or other visuals. One of the most powerful features of 3D models in PowerPoint is rotation. Click and drag directly on the model itself to rotate it freely in different directions. This allows you to show different angles and perspectives, which is especially useful for product demos, educational presentations, or technical explanations. You'll also notice a 3D rotation control icon that lets you spin the object smoothly. If you ever want more control, you can go to the 3D Model tab that appears in the top menu when the model is selected. From there, you can explore preset views and additional formatting options to refine how your model looks. And that's it. You've successfully imported a 3D model into PowerPoint, resized it, repositioned it, and rotated it to fit your presentation perfectly. Using 3D models is a simple way to make your slides stand out and look more professional without adding complicated design steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.